Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to make a really pretty Christmas ornament out of some things that I had lying around the house and some beautiful tube confetti that I found at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using a clear glass ornament and the tube confetti package. This package was in the colors red, green, and blue. And I just dumped the confetti into a cardboard bowl, and then I'm going to be using Mod Podge, but you can also use any kind of a craft glue that dries clear. And you're going to want to paint your ornament with a coat of the glue. I prefer using foam brushes. I get mine in a package at Dollar Tree. And you can use any kind of an ornament. I'm using clear glass, but you can use plastic or even an ornament that's a color like red or blue or something like that. You're really not going to see much of the color underneath, but it's a great way to use up maybe some old ornaments that you have at home. You can also use the same technique with glitter, or little bits of paper confetti, anything like that, even like sequins or small beads. But you just want to make sure that you give your ornament a good coat of the glue, because you want to make sure that in this case, my tube confetti is going to stick well. So after I've got it coated, I'm just going to roll my ornament around in the bowl, and you'll see that tube confetti sticks to it, and then just kind of sprinkling it over the top, making sure I cover the whole surface and patting it down gently to make sure that it adheres well to the glue. You can kind of see as you turn the ornament which areas need more, because you can see a little bit of the white glue coming through. So I just continued to sprinkle the confetti over it and pat it down. So this is what it looks like after I dried it for about 12 hours. And I was so pleased with how it turned out that I went back and I got some more packages. You see they have it in several different colorways. And one package will do about 3 ornaments, I found, really depending on the size of your ornament. But I wish the camera really caught all the sparkle, because it just sparkles so well and it looks so beautiful on the Christmas trees. I ended up doing one in the silver, gold, and copper too. So happy crafting, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more great DIY videos coming up.